Hi guys. I am about to go into holy hour. I was about to recommend a psalm to a friend, but I got an inspiration in between, which was oh man, somebody's coming and I'm about to sing. It's all good. Just watch me as I awkwardly, oh thank God, they're just going to the restroom. Cool. Man, birds are great example, super example of peace, because they don't argue with anyone. They accept everything that comes, basically. Yeah. Which I actually read something about that today. Man, see if I can find it for you. I think I only have. Oh, okay. This video could be as long as 7 minutes. Ooh. Random. Psalm 50. First line. Cleanse me of sin. Jesus, may my words be of you. Cleanse me of sin with hyssop, that I may be purified. Wash me, and I shall be whiter than snow. Man, that's a really famous one, and I was so not expecting to see that. Lord Jesus Christ, is that you? Or, I was gonna say or nah, but I'm not about that really thing that they say so often, but gracias, con cuidado. Lord Jesus. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's I think this is the act of contrition, what it's based on. Man. Rich. Richer than pure chocolate, man. This is better than pure chocolate. This is pure love. Pure love right here, bro. Right here. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Let's see. So it says, chapter 50. I just think Jesus, like, you guys help, like, seriously. If it's, yeah, like, your company, like your company, like, God is so strong that your company, I feel it basically just by thinking of you or wanting to be with you, having the desire to transmit love to you, affection. Like, I read that too. Oh, yes, I remember. Thank God. God put that word, that straight talk, man. God is putting straight talk into me, like that concision. That's not a word. I mean concise, but yeah, because that word is the one that's used in the reading that I was talking about, that I was trying to figure out, and then I got distracted with this wonderful psalm. But yeah, okay, so let's see. I need to, like, bookmark this, bro. Wait. Watch my actions, guys. Oh, yeah, that's better. You get a view more of the skies above. It's a gift from the stars above. Oh, that song. Well, you know what? We're gonna enjoy the quiet. Oh, well, actually, shout out. That's what they say. Don't want to say it like that. It's kind of, it's lame. For me, it feels insincere if I just use the words of, like, quoted words. And it depends. Specific quoted words. It's different if it's the Bible. Even like that, of course, as human, it gets boring, but that's why it's about faith. It's not just about what you feel. So, Jesus Christ. Romans 12:12. Focus. Don't go locus. Loco. And then I'm on Luke. Funny. He was a medic. He was nothing but loco. Or you could say he was, but he was loco for Christ. Okay. Yeah. Multitasking. Okay. Romans. So Matthew, Mark, Luke, John. Oh, I want you guys to see that. Okay. Oh, Romans and then Corinthians. Cool. Romans 12:12. Ooh, Okay, focus. Don't get distracted. Father, Jesus Christ. Here we are. Romans 12:12. Bless. May the Lord open my. Hola. May the Lord open. So this is some. So no, please don't close. This is some self-talk for me. So this lady just asked, "What are you doing there, honey?" Sitting on the floor. It's nothing crazy. That's what Jesus did. What would Jesus do? Sit on the floor. Ooh, this is so cool. I was about to tell you guys, patience. Thank you for your patience, guys. You guys are doing what Jesus would do. And then it turns out, whoa, it's already been 6 minutes. Okay, guys, 1 minute challenge. 5, 10, I'm just kidding. 50. Okay, there. So, chapter 15, patience. Romans chapter 15, patience and self-denial. Super sick, man. Man, God. Ooh. Gentle. That word, man. I ask God to just help me just, just flow. Okay, bless your persecutors, bless and do not curse them. Rejoice, what does it say? Rejoice with those who rejoice, weep with those who weep. Have the same attitude toward all, but put away ambitious thoughts and associate with those who are lowly. Do not be wise in your own estimation. Never repay injury with injury. See that your conduct is honorable in the eyes of all. If possible, live peaceably